Hey, welcome back, Gary Brown Fortune On. Today we're going to make a handle to tie a broom to and a broom tying needle. So stick around, watch the intro, and then let's watch how to make it. Take a little bit of the edge off the corners. Start out hitting on the diamond, hit it square, make everything square when you taper them. And then I put it on the diamond and made it an octagonal shape. Now I'm going around making it round. Twist in the handle. Straighten it out with a piece of wood so I don't mess up the curl. Mark it at about 17 and draw it out and flatten it, which will probably take it over 18, make it 19 or 20. Thanks for watching how these are made. I'm sending these to Jill. She's a She does crafting up in Idaho, and she's got some videos. I'll link them down below on tying brooms, and she also does basket weaving and some other crafts. But I've made these for her a little bit to her specification. What she was using was a little bit bigger than these, and put a twist in their handle. And so I send them to her, see if these work for her, something needs adjusted. I've never made one of these. Anyway, thanks for watching. Y'all have a blessed day and stay safe, and catch you on the next video. And please like and subscribe and comment and let me know what you think. And hopefully we'll make more of these, and I'll learn broom tying, and then probably from Jill's videos, and then we'll give that a try. Bye-bye now.